A high-tech rescue to find a runaway dog. Shade here is back home with his owner in Camden County, thanks to the work of a well-equipped rescue team. Our Dawn Timmeney has the story from Cherry Hill.
I got him on December 6th. So yeah, we're going on to closer to 3 months now.
And this puppy named Shade has brought Gina Manfredi nothing but joy and happiness. But Gina's world was turned upside down when Shade managed to wiggle out of his harness and took off from the family's Cherry Hill home just as it was getting dark back on February 20th.
And he was completely out of sight and I was freaking out.
Gina and her neighbor frantically searching for Shade.
The temperature was kept dropping and dropping, and me being out there so cold, I was like, how's my almost 5-month-old puppy going to survive a night if I can't find him?
24 hours later, and no sign of the puppy. Gina turning to USAR drone team, and team leader and founder Michael Parziale was on his way.
Loaded the truck up, threw everything in, and headed right down right away, because I know time is always of the essence.
Parziale putting up his thermal drone, zeroing in on where the family thought Shade might be hiding.
I felt confident it was going to be still in the area, and I just started this concentric pattern.
Wait, that's him! That's him!
He zoned in on something that was moving, and once he actually zoomed in, I got to see the brindle of Shade of his fur, and I was screaming at the top of my lungs because we found him.
But the frightened puppy still on the move. Gina's brother, Michael Manfredi, quickly driving to the spot just 2 blocks away and softly calling Shade.
There you go. Got him.
Oh my God, G! Oh God! Thank you so much!
41 minutes later, success and a record for this search and rescue drone team ready to lend a hand.
It's always a thrill to be able to reunite, a family member. I said, I've never seen a happier dog in my life. And all the searches and successes that I've had with this, I said, this is the happiest dog I've ever seen.
And the same could probably be said for his owner.
Thank you, I miss you!
I'm so happy to have my baby home. He's just the light, and yes, I'm obsessed with him, and I couldn't imagine another day without him.
Gina has taken all kinds of steps to make sure that Shade here stays extra safe. She has a collar with a GPS tracker and an Apple AirTag, so this never ever happens again. Right, buddy? He's enjoying his cheese bone.
It'll be easier to find him next time. Thank you, Dawn.